Hi everybody, welcome to Friendship Shaving. I hope you're doing well today. Guys, I came here for an unboxing video. I've accidentally deleted the wrong video, so I've just recorded a whole video and accidentally deleted it. I've got all my boxes down here. They're unboxed. So all I can do now is show you the things that were in the boxes. My apologies. What can you do, eh? So the first little thing that I have got is from Blackland. It came in that box. It is a stand for my Era razor, the Blackland Era. I don't know if you're aware, but it is no longer going to be made. They are having an end of stock sale on that razor and all items associated with it. And I bought a little stand for mine as I didn't have a stand, so I'm very pleased with that. This was $20 instead of the normal $35, and it was $20 postage, but hey, there's nothing you can do about that. So that was a good buy for me. It's such a shame that a company that printed these out of powdered stainless steel has gone out of business. But the last time I looked, which was a couple of days ago, there was still a really good sale on at Blackland on their Era, just to make you aware. So that is item number one. The next item I have is a razor. I have two of these, but it was on sale in France, and it's a Gillette Slim, and it was so inexpensive. It was 20 euros, and that included the postage. And I kind of feel with these old Gillettes that I'm saving them to some extent. You know, if someone's selling one and it's not much money, and I think, well, if they don't sell it, are they just going to throw that out? So I bought it. I don't know. I'll clean it up. I don't know whether I'll give this away or sell it. I don't know. But it all works. It's rather stiff because it's quite dirty. But the door's open and it has that last quarter turn, and the adjuster works, and all the numbers are painted in. So this, I don't think, has been used much. It's just got dirty over the years. Now, I actually found out that it is my birth date razor. I won January, or the first quarter of 1963. So in January, this razor will be 60 years old. Yeah, 20 euros. So I've got to buy. Do you remember I said the first razor I ever shaved with, I'd sent off for one? This is it. A Cartridge razor. The Wilkinson Sword profile. This would have been, I don't know, was I 17? So this would have been about 1980. And they did a white one, and I actually bought that first. And when I got home, I realised that they did one with a swivel head. So I went the next day and I swapped it for this one. So this is the first razor I actually shaved with. I had razor burn for about a week. But I'm going to have a shave with it. Look at that, trial offer, 69p, just for old time's sake. I did see one online the other day, same seller, and it was a blue one. And I had never seen a blue one before. That was completely new to me. I only remember seeing the white and the red one. The white was fixed, the red one had the swivel head. So there we are, that's that one. Do you remember my little number 88 set that I showed you? Well, I saw a box advertised, and the gentleman that was selling it, because it was 2 for 1, also had this box. And it is an immaculate Valet Auto Strop number 55 box. Now, I don't have a Valet Auto Strop, but do you know what? I might get one because I've got the box, and I can't believe the condition that it is in. And I wrote to the gentleman because he sells good quality card packaging from the past. I'm just going to put this back in this envelope. And I asked him, I said, do you restore card? And he said, no, I bought those years ago. They were practically new old stock when I bought them. Presumably he bought them for next to nothing. He flattened them and put them away, sealed them, and bought them out to sell on eBay. And wait till we see this, guys. This is the box for my little number 88 set, made in England. It is immaculate and then some. It is like a new box. I've never seen a box in this good condition. There we are, number 88, made in England. I think that's quite incredible, and I'm being very careful with this now, but I've got my number 88 razor in there, the one that I showed you the other day, and this is going to go into my filing cabinet, my display cabinet. I kind of don't really want to use it, so I don't know whether that will be sealed with the box inside it or whether to display it with the box out. But look at that, guys, just incredible. All thanks to people like that. Amazing, just amazing, really wonderful. And the final thing I've got, a little thing from Blackland there. The final thing I've got is a razor that I helped fund on Kickstarter. Ages ago. Like all razors on Kickstarter, the people that were getting this together and designed it and were getting it manufactured encountered some difficulties, but it's finally come through. I've got the Hype Body X1 razor, and here it is. It is made of aerospace grade aluminium, so of course it is a light razor, and it takes an injector blade, and we all know what a nice shave for most people an injector blade gives, and they last a long time too, so it's very well produced. There we are, it comes in a variety of colours, orange, silver, black, etc. It's got the user guide there, but I have got the red one. Now look at that, isn't that an unusual razor? Now I kind of wished I'd bought the stand, to be honest, as well, because that is not going to stand up, is it? going to have to be laying it down like that or somehow, but I know, well, I thought it might be useful for people that have mobility problems or arthritis or something of that nature. I need something light but with a large handle to hold onto. That was my first thought when I saw this razor. Actually holding it in my hand, it is quite comfortable. It's very unusual. I'm totally not used to the way that this feels, but it is a nice razor, and it comes with 3 plates. I don't know if I can show you there, but it has actually got there a big letter C on there. For this is comfort plate, and it comes with 2 other plates, the ultra close and the sensitive setting. It's beautifully finished, guys. It's really nicely finished with this anodized aluminium, and because of the size of the handle and everything, it actually doesn't feel like a really light aluminium razor, although obviously that's what it is. So there we are, the Hype Body X1 razor, and it takes I think this is a Ted Peller blades in here. You know, it takes a standard injector blade, although I suspect when you put that metal key in there, oh, that moves. Ah, there we go, it's sprung back. There's obviously a spring in there. I'm going to be careful with that because I don't want to scratch either the black or the red when using this insert key. So just something that occurred to me there. Yeah, that there is some kind of spring in there, so I'm obviously going to have to read the instructions. That's an unusual razor, and there we are. That's it from me. My apologies for messing up the unboxing, but we got there in the end, and I hope you'll have enjoyed what I've shown you today. I'm in a blessed position really, because I've got lots of razors to show you and share with you. My mum is just coming in. If you're lucky, she might give you a wave, guys. So that is the razor that I've got from my mum and myself. Take good care, and I'll see you soon for a shave. Bye bye now.